Okay, I can't believe that this is a headband wig. Like, it just feels so soft, you guys, and it just looks so pretty, doesn't it? Like, look. Miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let me jump right into this review. It is another headband wig tutorial and review using this G&T wig that I got from Amazon. It is in the style straight and it is 24 inches. Everything will be linked down below, so make sure you check it out. Let me know, are you interested in headband wigs and seeing more headband wig tutorials and reviews? Definitely let me know in the comment section down below. Also, before I jump right into this review and tutorial, check out my previous hair tutorial where I reviewed Julia Hair's headband wig. I think if you're interested in more of a curly or wavy headband wig, then maybe that video will interest you, or just keep on watching this one. Now let's jump right into this review. Okay, so in my previous video, I showed how I put on my wig cap as well as how I sling my baby edges. I showed it in my previous video reviewing a Julia Hair wig. I'm gonna link it in the cards up above as well as in the description box down below. So I already put on the wig cap. I put my hair as flat as possible. And now I'm getting ready to put on the wig. Now let me show you how it looks, both on the Amazon website as well as here. Here's how the wig looks up close. The hair is absolutely super smooth and super silky, and I love it. Now I'm gonna try and fit it on. It's too tight. I think I have to maybe flatten my hair more. So let me take it off and see if I can flatten my hair more. Because I have my hair in a low bun back here, but I think I can flatten my hair more. Because this is a straight hair wig, so my hair has to be as flat pretty much as possible. So let me see. I could okay. Let's see if I could like braid it. Try it this way. Can't braid like that. Are you guys experts at braiding hair? Let me know in the comment section down below. I can do like a little 3-braid hairstyle, but I can't do like cornrows or anything like that. I would love to learn how to do that. And while we are in lockdown, I probably should learn or teach myself or watch some YouTube videos on how to do that. I think that would be cool for me to learn. Yeah, I'm not gonna make it too fancy, okay? I just need the hair to lay flat. Now, put the wig cap back on. Without it getting stuck on the bobby. Ugh. Yeah, the bobby pin is making it get stuck. Oh well. There, I think that's better. I think that's much flatter. Pull this back a little bit. And probably gonna need to fix my baby hair. So let me get my toothbrush. Okay, so I relayed my baby hairs, I fixed them, and I put this little headband on them just until I put the wig on. Now, here's how the wig comes in the bag. It comes in the bag that says GNT wig. I did again get it from Amazon. I am going to link it directly in the description box down below, so make sure you check it out. I absolutely love this wig. I've been wearing it for the past 2 days now. I did have to make some adjustments to it, and I did have to trim it a little bit. Now, I'm not a professional hairstylist or anything, but because of the way that the wig came, I had to trim the wig, and I'll explain. Here it is in the bag. In the bag also comes a little thank you note from the company, and it also came with a pair of eyelashes, which I did not use, so I just threw away. And it also came with some eyelashes and a cute little pair of scissors. I have the scissors right here. See? I have the scissors right here. I've already used them to trim my eyelashes. So they are very good and handy. Let me try and pull some of this hair back. I'm gonna secure it down with this bobby pin because I feel like the flap is very, very big. Let me pull this back a little. And then put on the headband. I have this black pink one. I think it would look really, really cute. There we go. Let me adjust this. All right. Let me comb the hair out. Kind of got like very, very tangled, kind of from that process. This hair is 24 inches. Now, it was actually much, much longer than it is. The thing is though, I had to cut the ends. Let me explain why. I had to cut the bottom parts of the hair because it's supposed to be like layered, right? Like it's supposed to be, you know, in the front, the shorter parts, and then medium, and then long. The way this wig came, it just came from short to long. So it didn't look natural. So to make it look more natural, I just put it on. And when I put it on, I just trimmed the ends. That way it would look more natural. Not that much comes out, like in terms of shedding. It doesn't shed that much. But yeah, it helps that I pulled the hair. It helps that I put the hair down. I love the way it feels. I love the way it is. I just want to like bump the ends a little bit though. So I have my flat iron here. Turn it on. This hair is super, super long. Let me show up and let me stand up. This hair is so long. Let me stand up and show you guys. It was even longer than this though. But remember I told you guys I cut it. It goes here. It actually went to like here. Very, very long. I just wanna do the ends. It's so, 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 so soft and so, so, ooh. Oh my goodness, I almost burnt the wig. So if you decide to iron this wig, make sure you don't put the flat iron too hot. So I have it at 210 right now, just so I can like go like this to the ends and it doesn't look so like straight. You know, when the hair looks too straight, it looks almost like not natural. So I want it to look a little bit more natural. Let me put it up just a little bit. So now I put it up to 230. Yeah, I think that's a little bit better. could like kind of like bump the end. Yeah, there they are. Kind of curl them a bit. So then it doesn't look so. Now let me try this side. This is a lot of hair. So if you get this wig with a 24-inch, just beware, it's a lot of hair. And the ends are very, 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 very straight, as you can see. So it's kind of hard to curl them a little bit. So I could even use like a curling iron, but I think this should be fine. Put up the heat just a little bit more. So now it's at 250. See, I think that looks better. There we go. At the ends. There we go. So 250 for this hair in terms of straightening it. I think that helps the hair not look so straight. Let me turn the flat iron off and leave it here. Now let me comb the hair and then I'm gonna turn around and show you all what it looks like. The hair is very, very soft, very, very silky smooth. Very, very silky smooth. Put that like that. But it's just a lot, like it's a lot of hair. You can tell, like it's a lot of hair to comb. It's a lot of hair to work through. But it's so, so soft and smooth. Incredibly soft and smooth. It doesn't tangle that easily, but it does get a little tangled. And when it does, like if you finger comb it, you should be just fine. But I just used a comb because I have a wide tooth comb right here that I like to use. I feel like it pulls less hair. Yeah, I like it. I think it's a lot of hair. It's a lot of hair to have. I hope you guys saw how it looked from the back. It's kind of hard to do that when you're sitting down. I also purchased a lot of different headbands from Amazon for like 20 bucks, just in case I want to use a different headband with different outfits that I wear. So I think that's super cute. I'm also going to link that in the description box down below, so make sure you check it out. And I absolutely love this wig. It is so soft. So incredibly soft, and I cannot wait to play around with it more. It is a lot of hair. Maybe if you want, maybe get like 16 inches or 18 inches, maybe not so many inches, but I just wanted to try it out. I haven't had a straight headband wig. I only have like curly and wavy headband wigs, so I was definitely interested in trying this one out, and I love it. I'll definitely update you all on the wig and let you know how it continues to wear and, you know, shampooing, conditioning, that whole bit. So if you want more updated hair tutorials, headband wig tutorials, all of that, let me know in the comment section down below. And now let's wrap this video. Okay, that is it for this review. Again, this is the G&T headband wig. It's in the style straight and it's 24 inches long. I will link everything in the description box down below. Make sure you check it out, as well as more details about this wig. I absolutely love it. It's very, very soft and silky, and it is perfect for beginners or anyone who just wants to experiment with different hairstyles. And I love that you can wear different headbands with it. It's perfect for an everyday wig. It's perfect for beginners if you're just starting out, getting used to wigs like me, and you just want to try different hairstyles and of course different cute headbands to wear along with it. I highly suggest checking it out. And that is it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot and I really, really do appreciate it. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news and me and my brand, make sure you click that red subscribe button and click that bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I upload Wednesdays and Sundays, and I will occasionally give an additional video during the week. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.
I'll stay till the finish line, and I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been